In this video, we will show you how to do a brain-dead troubleshooting procedure for the SUA smart UPSs. The first step is to power off the UPS by pressing the off button and then unplug the input power cord. Then you need to disconnect the internal battery of the UPS. So remove the front bezel and put it on top of the UPS. Then you need to remove the metal plate covering the battery. So you need a Phillips screwdriver to loosen up these two screws. Then remove the metal plate and pull out the battery. You will see the battery connector looks like this. Disconnect that. After you have disconnected the battery, you need to press and hold the off button for 10 seconds. So grab the display and press the button. And now you can put everything back together. So reconnect the internal battery. Put the metal plate back in place. The front bezel of the unit. Now reconnect the input power cord of the UPS and turn the UPS on. And that's how you perform the brain-dead troubleshooting procedure for the SmartUps SUA units.